Okay. Good day, children, and good day to all your mommy and your grandparents and everyone. I say good day and good morning because I'm in the day and I feel I must wish you all. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you are practicing with your children, all the mummies, and since you all are at home, so I can only request you to please encourage your child to do the practice whatever I teach, whatever I can do. Since we are in the pandemic time, we cannot call the children every day to school. So at least I'm sending video, let them learn. So it will be a habit for them. So when next year the school start, the children will find easy for them to practice with the LKG. So we don't want them to burden them suddenly as a school start and they go blank in the school without knowing anything. So this is the one opportunity where the government has opposed us to do online classes. So even for nursery I'm doing, that's a real big thing. So I feel you all must, so parents also should encourage your children. Come on, we'll watch this video and we will practice it. So I'm sending every day one video. Be perfect with that. Saturday, Sunday you have holiday. Let them do whatever I have taught. Practice with them. Practice with them. Even the writing work, practice with them. Everything I will send. Writing work I will send on video, on WhatsApp. But learning orals is important. So that you must do every day. What little half an hour also. If you sit with your child, the child will really feel so nice. So let their minds be occupied, as I've said. Let them do something, activities like, colouring the pots, with their fingerprints, buy one pot. Now since Deepavali is coming, you can buy simple diyas and let them start colouring or painting. Keep their mind occupied with all these things. Then they can do something, making flowers. The straws, the straw which we drink, anything, I think so. We drink Pepsi, whatever, that straw. You can do so many things. If you go to YouTube, the babies are doing such marvelous things from different schools. I want our children also to do something like activities. See, if you occupy there, they will show interest. Like one example I can give. See how Madhumita has shown the video, like she's doing, explaining about the makeup. It's good, like she knows that this is a cream, this is baby cream I must use for the baby. So this is very nice thing that she's coming out. This is thing I must use. So like that, make your child. Since for the boy, they can make something like, drawing a, see last year I made children in the plain paper to make tree with the real natural thing. So if mummies can just draw a line and tell them to stick some leaf on that paper, it is so nice, and you frame it. See, like my child does this. This is one activity. So keep your child occupied so they don't trouble you. I know this is a holiday, like pandemic times we are in. So make them do something, activities at home. Okay. So like that, now I'm going to start with the my picture book activity, occupation. So occupation means what? Like occupation means what work we do. That is called occupation. Now your mummy, she's a housewife. So we call her occupation is to be housewife. So what she does cooking, she makes breakfast, dinner, snacks, or meetings. Okay? Like that, occupation for this man. Now what is a mason? Mason is a man who makes building. Bricks, they put plasters and all. That is called mason. And what is this? Who teaches you in the school? Of course, tell me, teacher. Okay? So her occupation is to teach. How I teach? The same. What is it? Who gives when you are very sick? Who takes you to the doctor? Mummy. Where mummy takes you? To the doctor. Sorry. She takes you to the doctor. So doctor gives you medicine. And then you become alright. Right? And then who cuts your hair? You call them as a barber. The barber cuts your hair. And who cooks? When you go in the restaurant, your mommy daddy takes you, who gives you different type of dishes? The chef. They are called chef. Okay, who cooks in the hotel? They are called chef. Who see when there is fire? Who do you call for? that sound come a ting, 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 ting. That is a firefighter. They are called firefighter. And this is, who gives you milk? Of course, cow gives. So this is a milkman. He only removes the milk from the cow and he brings milk house to house. So he is called milkman. And who is this? Who takes care of our country? Who takes care of everything, like while traffic, when we are crossing, you see signal, we have to wait. Who does this? All the police. So the police are our country, our country helper. They help us to be taking no accident. They tell you to stop, and all this they help us. So they help us to be careful. So policeman, so these are the people who are our best friends. They take care of all these things. Okay? So I want you to learn this very nicely. If you don't understand better, please give me a call. I will help you to talk on the phone also. Anything, just write in WhatsApp and I am there for you. Anytime, anything. Okay? Thank you everyone and have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.